Hi, and welcome back to InternetBizTV.com. My name is Cartes Ross, and today we're going to talk about some basic stuff here. One common question we get asked, just from my business in general, is where and how do I get my own .com name? And there are several places you can go, 3 of them primarily, and I'm going to give you all 3 and tell you my favorite. The first one is a site called GoDaddy. That's G-O, like go, GoDaddy, D-A-D-D-Y, GoDaddy.com. And there you can purchase your own .com name. Basically what happened, you will type in the name that you think you want. Say, for instance, if I wanted to sell organic dog treats, I would type in organicdogtreats.com. And if it's available, GoDaddy will let me know if the name is available and or if it's taken. So if it's taken, of course, obviously we can't get it because somebody else owns it. But if it's available, GoDaddy will let me know that the organicdogtreats.com is available and I have the option to buy it. There at GoDaddy.com, the domain names go for $9.99. And basically what happens there is when you pay that $9.99, you own that .com name or that domain name for a period of 12 months. So for a year, it's yours. Nobody else can come behind you and re-register that name and take it. So now you have that .com name, which points back to your website, which we'll talk about that in detail later. So that's GoDaddy. Again, $9.99 per year. They also give you additional discounts on that. So if you were to prepay for 3 years in advance or 5 years in advance, they give you additional discounts. I have a coupon code. Scroll down below. I have some links where you can click on. So instead of paying like $9.99, they'll knock off like $2 or $2.50 for that same domain name. So like $7.50 and some change is what you'll pay. Register.com is another one. I believe Register.com charges $35. So for $35 per year, you can get the same domain name. Again, you run through the same process, see if the name is available when you get there to their website, and if it's available, they'll let you know. If it's taken, they'll let you know as well. But their domain names are $35 per year. Now, there's another site called, and that site again was register.com, like go register your name, register.com. There's another site called Network Solutions, just like it sounds, networksolutions.com. And I believe they are $34.99 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, $34.99 per year is what you'll pay for the domain name. Again, if you prepay for a few years in advance, they'll give you a discount. Why they charge so much differently than GoDaddy, I don't know. But my preference, GoDaddy. You know, it's cheaper. You have total control over the domain name. I've used them for years, never had a problem with them whatsoever. I made the mistake of buying a domain name from somebody else, and then we registered the thing, and then all of a sudden, like 4 hours later, it wasn't available to us. Somebody else had came right behind us and got it. You know, I still don't know how that happened, but GoDaddy, I've never had a problem, never. And I like the ability to control it. I can log into my control panel, do whatever I want with the domain name. The thing with some of these other companies, and I'm not going to name their names, but one of the other two, and both of them might do it, I don't know. But like one day I can't remember what I lost. It was something like a password or something like that. And they made me fax them. I had to go to this was when I was first getting started. You know, I didn't have a fax machine at home. I had to go get some copies of my driver's license made, and I think I had to put a copy of a bill or something, and I had to scan all that stuff in and fax it over to them. They had to wait 2 days, 24 to 48 hours for them to get it. And then, you know, I was able to get my information back. That was just pure chaos. I mean, I still don't understand. I wouldn't be surprised if they still do it. So that's why I don't deal with them. GoDaddy, if I lose my password, you know, go in and put in some basic information, then, you know, they'll email it to a reset code to the email address that I had on file that I set up with them, and a few seconds later I'm back in business. Plus tech support, I can call and talk to them on the phone pretty quickly. So GoDaddy is my choice when it comes to domain name. But I will warn you, when you go through their ordering process, they will try and upsell you on a whole bunch of stuff. I mean, they will try and sell you website hosting, traffic generation programs and software. They will try and sell you your firstborn. So don't buy any of the stuff that they're trying to sell you on. We can discuss all that stuff later on, but again, most of the stuff they're trying to sell you is not anything you will ever need. And so that's it. So that's today's topic: how and where to go get your own .com name. Scroll down the links. I got some links down below. Take a look at them. We'll go a little bit more in detail, and have some coupon codes so that you can get some discounts off the domain names. And that's it. So again, scroll down, leave a comment if you have any more questions about this topic here, or some questions or some things you'd like to hear about later on. Just leave those comments below. And again, if you're watching this video from another website, come back to our main site at www.internetbiztv.com.